Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So this is very big news for all Holochain holders, my brother. To in the previous days, my friend, Holochain very badly fell. Change occurred now, my friend. You can see here this time the price has very badly decreased now. So what's the latest updates? What's the prediction of coming days, my friends? They moving upward or falls down? Absolutely, all details is very important, my friend, for all new holders, especially. So kindly don't skip any second of this video because this video is make you millionaire and give you very good profits. So kindly don't skip. Absolutely, you are be safe from loss. This time you can see, my friend, before I start this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. All right, minus 1.83%, they fell us down just in only, my friend, in 1 hour. This is absolutely very bad fails now, my friend, in the last 24 hours. But what we say, my friend, especially the short term investors starting selling, so definitely the price is going down very fastly. So don't see this short fail, my friend. I hope after just in only, my friend, just in 1-2 days, my friend, I hope they're starting moving again up. But definitely this time they fails down, so don't sell it, hold it kindly. All right, this time you can see, my friend, after a very good job, my friend, they see this time they change occur as a negative. But definitely this is the circulation movement, my friend, and every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. The price is 0.013481 USD dollar. I hope in upcoming time, my friend, they change into 0.1 US dollar. This is the prediction. To remember, after a jump, after a fails, my friends, they take a very good jump. You can see here after a very good jump, my friends, they fails down, and after this fail, my friends, they take a gain jump. So after this fails, they take a very good jump. I hope upcoming time they're moving upward. So definitely the price is increase now in upcoming days, so kindly hold it, don't sell it. I hope, my friend, upcoming times they moving upward. Let's see to last 1 hour chart to what's going on. Kindly like this video, kindly subscribe this channel if you enjoy this video. All right, my friends, you can see absolutely the change occurs in positive. And if you remember, I tell you, my friends, to upcoming times they're moving upward. So definitely it's reality, my friends, to they're moving upward. Thank you so much, my brother, all of you who trust our ABS Tech channel. At 7,400 subscribers this time, ABS Tech chain complete now. So it's all your love, it's you all your help, my friends. So you are complete, my friend, my 7,000 subscriber. Thank you so much for trusting on ABS Tech channel. This time, my friend, absolutely the change occurs in positive. I hope, my friend, upcoming times Holochain give you very good profit, especially at the end of month, my friend. They give you 0.1 USD dollar, my friend, 0.1 USD dollar. And at the end of this month, my friend, if they give you 0.1 USD dollar, so they make you millionaire. Absolutely. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.